Hey Drone Nerds, Matt here. I'm at the DroneNerds Service Center today. If your drone's in for repair, chances are it's sitting on this shelf right here, or our technicians are working on it right now. Let me show you around and show you exactly what the Service Center is all about.
Have a great day.
This is our check-in room. Eddie is our check-in guy. He's here every morning. We keep all parts on hand, so when a customer sends in a drone, we can accomplish that repair within a timely manner. As we head out this way, we'll head into our main repair floor. This is our tech island. This is where most of our techs do their work at.
I'm working on a drone that has a broken gimbal camera and main boards.
This is actually the new chassis and the new T40 that I'm just about complete assembling. It's just some few details in the front and in the rear that I still need to take care of. But if we look on this side over here, we have the chassis that was compromised. The client lost control of the drone and it came down from quite some ways. I believe it was over 100 feet in altitude and did some damage. As you can see, it's kind of like bent here. So over here we have a nice dent in the steel. So this was compromised. So right away, as soon as I noticed this, I started working on our new chassis, and which is what we have on the table here.
We take photos of the drone, we contact the customer immediately, and we stop repair at that moment, just to make sure to see that they know and how to move forward.
I just actually finished communicating with the customer just to, give them an update, let them know where we are, and just to, reassure them that everything is going well and that he'll be getting his baby back.
So I hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes tour of the Service Center here at DroneNerds. If you have any questions, you can put those down in the comments. Also be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. My name is Matt. Happy flying.